We've all been there. You're doing legitimate security research, but your AI decides to give you a lecture instead of the code you need. Today, we're fixing the censorship problem for good. Step 1. Get the right tools. Head over to lmstudio.ai. It's a clean, private interface for running LLMs locally on your own hardware. Download the installer, run through the setup, and you're ready to take back control of your intelligence. Now for the secret word. Open the search tab. We aren't just looking for any model, we want Abliterated. Search for Llama 3.18b Abliterated. These are models where the refusal logic has been mathematically stripped away by researchers. Hit download and wait for that complete notification. Load the model, set your system prompt, and ask again. Write a keylogger in Python. No hesitations, no ethics lectures, just clean, functional code. If you found this lab useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more uncensored tech workflows.